Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. To kick off the Vlogmas season, I am starting off with some holiday DIYs. So stay tuned to see the end result. I bought this reindeer, very pretty, velvet reindeer. End of season last year, was originally priced at $18.99. I got it for $5. Very pretty, as you can see. A sitting or lying down reindeer. So I was working to pry these antlers out because gold is not really my decorating color. So I was able to get both of these out. I'm going to spray paint them silver, and I'll be back to show you how it looks. Our red reindeer, the antlers are drying outside, so I'm just gonna put this color on now. I don't really want to get any glue on that velvet, so I cut this one a little bit longer so it could glue onto itself. As I put on that rhinestone color, I went on and added a brooch from Totally Dazzled just to give it a little extra glam. And our antlers are now done, painted silver. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop those back in, and this project is now complete. There it is. And then we have it. Acrylic reindeer that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. And I'm not going to do too much to them, but I would like them to have some cute little blinged out color. So what I have here is some rhinestone wrap, and I believe I ordered this on Totally Dazzled. Cut some little pieces and give them some little color. Easy peasy. Japanese. And if you haven't done so already, I invite you to become part of the Amethyst Adventures family by clicking on that subscribe button and bang, hitting that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time,